guys ជំរាបសួរអ្នកនរគ្នាខ្ញុំបាទ Rorfin ហើយនៅក្នុងវីដេអូនេះដែរខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការចែករំលែកអ្នកនរគ្នាទាក់ទងពីរបៀបនៅក្នុងការ remote desktop នៅលើ Windows Server. Okay អញ្ចឹង first of all we need to open the taskbar, yes, manager, and also yes, find one word, yes, and yes, click on local server, yes, find the remote desktop. Yes, remote desktop is still disabled, so I click on it to enable. Okay, so click on it to enable, apply, and okay, and then we should to go to firewall, and also I enable service firewall, yes, to make sure domain name, private or public is only enabled, and also check advanced setting, yes, to make sure this service is turned on already or not. Okay, so that find the word remote. Okay, remote TCP. Okay, remote, yes, use mode TCP in, yes, is the public already. So now we should to now I property, yes, to make sure on my computer, yes, is server, and now I connect to another computer, type server, yeah, is the name of computer, and also click the username, yes, that I already write, yes, and also I write the password, yes, to access on the server. Okay, if you want to remember, you check this remember, yeah, check this, yes, and click OK, and also do not ask if you want to ask anymore, click yes. Okay, now we already can to remote. Okay, so yes, this my video has been to the end. Thank you very much for your taking time. See you in the next video. ខ្លាំងមែនទែនសម្រាប់ការតាមដានទស្សនានៅវីដេអូមួយនេះហើយសូមកុំភ្លេចជួយចុច like, subscribe ក៏ដូចជា comment ដើម្បីបញ្ចេញជាមតិយោបល់ហើយខ្ញុំ Rorfin នឹងជួបអ្នកនរគ្នានៅវីដេអូបន្តទៀតសូមអរគុណសូមជម្រាបលា